Hey there everybody, welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial, and in today's video we're going to be seeing how to use the assistant, the AI, and make it create a GUI for us in just a few steps. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join our Discord. Link will be down in the description. Let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do, we want to open up Roblox Studio. Alright, now that we have the assistant open, all that we have to do is let's give it the prompt. Create a visually appealing countdown timer GUI in Roblox Studio with a modern design featuring rounded background, bold and stylized font for the numeric countdown, a smooth color gradient, and a start button with hover effects to begin the 60-second timer. Let's go ahead, let's click enter, and let's see what it creates for us. There it goes, it's creating all the code. There's the start button. Let's click play, let's test out, let's see if it works. Alright, so right now it's not working, but it created all of the UI for us, which in other cases it would have taken us quite a bit of time. So all that we want to do now, let's go to the starter GUI. There's the countdown timer GUI. I'll move the frame, move the whole frame up a bit. Move it over here, the center of the screen. And all that I'm going to do now is just fix the code, because it didn't enter any codes yet. So what we wanted to do, create a script that when the player touches the start, sorry, not touches but clicks start button, the timer starts to decrease by 1 for every second. And so what it creates now, I will fast forward this part a bit, but let's see it work. There's the countdown timer script. Let's click play, let's see it work. Oop, there it goes. So it created another one for us, but let's click stop. Why did it create two GUIs? Let's delete the frame. Let's click play. There we go. As soon as we click start, the timer starts to work as well. Now this will work perfectly for almost any type of game, especially if you want to create, let's say, a hide and seek game, an action game, an adventure game, a story game as well, where you want more people to join the game before it starts. And this will be similar to the loading screen. It also builds up hype before the player joins the game. Now don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. Test out, everything will be down in the description as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. Roblox Studio out.